Hi. So we've done quite a few things with my lint glove today. And to be honest, I have never washed this, but I don't want to put it in the washing machine because I want to keep the fibers on this particular glove as stiff as I can. So I'm going to just kind of give it a spot wash in the sink. I'm going to use fairly hot water. And my Orange Blossom washing up liquid. So I'm just going to get it wet. Give it a few drops of this. And just rub it in with my fingers. And you can see I'm getting, most of that guck is actually junk that was caught up in the rug and everywhere that I used it. So, I'm actually going to take my scrubby and that's going to take most of that lint out. Here it is over here. Not going to put that down my sink. Don't forget you have to go with the grain to get the junk out of the fiber. So I'm just going down the smooth side of it. Turn my water back on.